Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. You're in the live trading room. You all know that. Good morning. Hope you had a good afternoon yesterday. Wasn't much going on trading in the afternoon. We really kind of got all the good trading we could in the morning, and then yesterday afternoon it was just flat. Price really didn't move much in the afternoon, but did have four trades yesterday for 126. And there's the total for Monday. Um, so good Monday. Had a very good Monday, and Q closed at 614.24. Is currently sitting at 615.61, just a little shy of a gap play. So no gap play this morning, at least not so far. If it should rise in the next 3.5 minutes, maybe we'll have a gap play. But right now we do not have a gap play. So let's move forward to real time. Interesting pre-market movement, swing high and a nice sell-off, and then another swing high coming in pre-market. Let's get rid of that. Okay, going over to the option chain. We are on the 10th, February 10th, 26. We have 1.249 million already traded in pre-market volume. So good pre-market volume. I've got to reset my option chain here to recenter it. 14, there we go. And probably starting at the 614 on the call side and 617 or 618 on the put side. We'll see once we get into it. And I think that's all I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and say good morning to Keith. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. A lot of announcements this morning. ADP employment change missed by last month. The 4-week average was down. Employment costs were down a little bit. Export prices were up a bit. Import prices were down a little bit. Retail sales numbers missed on the bottom side. And just a lot of, I guess there's about 8 announcements this morning. We will have a business inventories report coming out at 10, and we have Fed members speaking at noon and 1 o'clock today. And we'll have a 3-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today. And I think that's about it there. The big ones will be the January labor numbers coming out tomorrow morning at 8:30 before the market opens. Again, those were delayed because of the partial government shutdown. So that's about it there. I will be trading today's expiration along with Tim. Was able to do one more trade yesterday afternoon. Just got a little bit back. Just ended up just down a little bit. That one trade that Tim got in the last one, I just waited too long and just kept falling knives trying to get out of the thing, and finally did. Glad I did get out of it, but that was a frustrating one. Just a reminder that it's always easier to get out when prices are going up. And once it starts settling off, you get the risk of falling knives like yesterday, that it's tough to get out of it. So just a reminder for me on that. Thought it was a good trade to get in, just waited too long to get out. And that's about it from here.
Okay, very good. Thank you. And thank you for that reminder. Yeah, very, very important. Absolutely. Okay, we've got about 20 seconds before we start. And just a reminder, as I do every day, to set your charts for 20 cents between each of your hash marks. It doesn't really have to be 20 cents. It can be whatever you want, as long as it's the same thing from day to day. Here we go. In four, three, two, one. And there's the bell, and we are in. Now, sometime in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to have to step away for a few minutes. Our furniture is finally arriving today, and I may need to direct them for a few minutes. So I'll have Keith take over for about 5 minutes while I deal with them. All right, we got our broader indices. Dow is up by 167, Nas is up by 23, S&P is up by 8. Heck, the Russell 2000's up by 3 and by 4. So positive markets on the broader indices. That price kind of moving in a fairly shallow range right here. A lot of volume, but shallow price movement. Just a reminder, we generally let the first 5 minutes, at least the first 5 minutes, go by. We let kind of the craziness of the market maker pushing back and forth, trying to find where the traders are. So price can move back and forth quite a bit without any sort of trend pick or setting up. Kind of wait for that craziness to go by and then start noticing direction. Market maker settles in and starts pushing in one direction. That's when we get our breakouts and our trends. And that's what we trade, are the breakouts and trends.
Looks like you're running about 15 seconds behind again, Tim.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, let's switch over.
Yep.
Uh, Stop sharing. I'm going to switch over to Keith's. Allow him to Keith's charts because they're on time. I'm running late. Let's let Kathy in. I got to figure out why those things are running late.
Yeah, it's frustrating. I was just looking at the my screen view on the Zoom thing. I said, "Oh, you're on time now." I said, "Nope, that's my chart." Does your option chain run behind too by 15 seconds or so?
Hard to know. I think
Yeah.
so.
So we got the Dow up 196, Nasdaq's up 23, S&P's up 11, 3.8 million underlying traded on the Qs so far.
Mm-hmm.
Just trading in a narrow range here, jumping back and forth as the market maker's trying to find direction. Got a nice crowd this morning.
Yeah. Yeah, we do. Appreciate everyone being here. See if we can't make some money today.
Looks like prices might be a little bit better today.
Mm-hmm.
They were certainly better than last week, yesterday. Still a little expensive at times, but definitely not in the $4 and $5 range.
Yeah.
Got the 5 minute MACD trying to cross over there, down here. Just hanging around VWAP a lot so far this morning. My zones here are just placeholders, although probably put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Yeah. Let that turn into a real one.
And we'll see. It's
Well,
trying
we'll see. Yeah.
to go the opposite direction now. The other two are just placeholders. Their position have no meaning. The yellow line is yesterday's close. The red line up here at the top of the 5 minute chart is yesterday's high, and down ways on the blue one is yesterday's low. You're definitely trying to pull down there.
Okay, guys, excuse me for a few minutes. Oh, I'd love to get into that trade right there.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 616 on the put.
616 on the put.
I'm going to try to get in on that here. Pass me by. And at 320.
Pass me by as well. Let's try this. All right. Did get in 320.
Let's see if I can get 20 cents on this.
27, 320. Come on down.
Try to get lower down here. Oh, well.
All right, I'm going to jump out of this. Yeah, let's see if this comes down. Come on down.
And again, I'm just trying to get 20 cents on this. Come
Yeah,
on, come on, come on, come on.
me too.
There we go. Got 20 cents. 320 to 340.
I got 320 to 340 as well.
All right, go take care of your
Okay,
furniture.
I'll be right back.
Sure, now you continue down. That's all right. At the 1 minute MACD is getting pretty low down here, down to minus 1.1. 5 minute MACD is definitely turned down. Both are in the put bias direction. I may consider going in on the, let's see here, 615, maybe 615 on the puts. Let me see if I can get in on this again. In at 330. Again, the 615 on the puts. Gosh darn it. Come on down. Come on, Ivan. Down you go. Down you go. May get out of this here. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. There we go. Come on down. The Dow is up 220, Nasdaq's down 83, S&P's down 5. 7.6 million underlying traded so far. Come on, keep coming down. Keep coming down. Come on down. The 5 minutes, a pretty strong angle coming down here in the MACD. 1 minute's trying to cross back over, going up though. Come on down. Come on down. So come on down. Come on down.
Where are you in that 615, Keith?
At $3.30.
30. No. Well, the 5 MACD is still on your side.
Yeah.
It likes you.
Come on. Come on down. Just didn't want to do it there. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this. Golly, come on. Quit jumping up on me like that. Oh, Nelly, Nelly. Come and got me again. Come on. Quit passing me by there. I'm out of it. 255. Shh. Hmm. Got down close, but not quite. Was trying to get 350 out of it, got up to 344, then immediately turned around. All right, got the 1 minute MACD's cross back over going up. 5 minute MACD's trying to flatten out there. Really don't have a supply zone yet. Don't and just have a pseudo demand zone, but we may be getting a new demand zone down here now. It's 612. It gets above VWAP here, which is right at yesterday's close, I may go ahead and try to get into a call trade here. Probably be the 612, probably. But it's got to get above VWAP there. Up there at getting close to VWAP. 5 minute MACD's curved around, starting to head back up. 1 minute MACD is definitely in the call bias direction. Again, I'm looking at the 612 on the call side. I'd like to see a little bit more confident it's going to stay above it here. So many times it'll get above it and then turn right back around. All right, I'm going to try to get in on this here. It passed me by. I'm going to go to the 613 instead. In at 296. Again, the 613 on the call side. And move that demand zone down, but I'm keeping an eye on the charts here first before I actually do that.
Okay, I'm back.
We just got in a 613 on a call.
Okay.
I had another put trade that went bad on me, but this is moving nice up here.
It's 613.
Yeah.
I just got in the 613 at 322.
I'm going to go ahead and I think get out of this thing. Let me get out here.
41. All right. 322 to 347. Just got out of that.
And I just got out. In at 296, out at 352.
Nice.
Yeah, back pot. No, still down a tad for the day. Just barely though. Okay. All right. And we've got about 2.5 minutes to the pop at the top here.
Okay. I'll put a demand zone on the bottom.
Yep. Yeah, I saw that earlier, but I was watching the charts on the trade here.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get that down there now. I'm going to put an intermediate zone at the top of that first 5-minute candle. Again, the red line here is yesterday's high.
All right. We got a minute till the pop at the top.
Both the 5-minute MACD's crossed back over going up.
Mm-hmm.
1-minute MACD's starting to curl over here, though. Definitely wait until after the pop to see about getting in a new trade. Actually, I am up 1 cent for the day, so I am positive.
All right.
Yep.
So I'm up 47.
Great. All right, in the pop here.
Okay.
Had good 1-minute volume each of the candles so far this morning.
Mm-hmm. 11,350,000 traded on the underlying. Got Dow is up by 355, Nas up by 8, S&P up by 12. In a bit of a reversal now.
And that 10 o'clock report, business inventories missed by just 0.1%. Gonna watch the 618, I think, on the put side here.
Okay.
Just watching it for right now, though.
I'll be right back.
Keith,
Yes.
you know those little red and green arrows on the MACD lines?
Yes.
One of my MACD charts has that, and the other one doesn't. And I was wondering where that little arrow lives, so I can put it on the other one.
All right. Yeah, let me when we get some time, I'll
Yeah,
look into that.
yeah,
Let's
just whenever.
wait a bit, but yeah, it think you go under the gear thing on that, but give me a second and we'll probably wait till about 10:30 to do that.
Yeah, no problem.
Just in a consolidation zone here at the moment. Yeah, let me see here. Studies. Edit studies. The MACD. Yeah. So under this, you go up and down signals. So the down signal and then the up signal. So let me go back and see how we got to it. So I right click on the MACD, do studies, and then do edit studies. Then go to the gear on the MACD and the up signal I have green, and then the down signal I have red. So that's how I do it.
Okay, I'll find it. Thanks.
Yep. Just in the consolidation area right now.
Yeah.
Tim, it smells like new furniture.
It does. It does. Got all the wrapping off. It's looks good.
Good.
Larger than I thought, but looks good.
Everything, all the major indices are still green. Just in the intermediate or consolidation zone here. Still don't have a supply zone yet, though, really.
No,
Got
no.
close to one on that last one until it jumped up a little bit at the end. Definitely the 1 minute MACD's flattened out here last 5 minutes or so. 5 minute MACD still reasonably strong going up.
1 minute MACD is heading toward a cross. It's not up that high either. Huh.
No, not enormous. You're jaded by how high and low it's been getting recently.
Yeah.
Got close to a doji on that last 1 minute candle up here.
Yes, it did.
Got close to a doji on a couple of these 5 minute or Heikin-Ashi candles too. Nary doing a head fake, going back up now.
Yep.
Again, crossed over yesterday's high. I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Alrighty. As I'm going to keep an eye on the 615 on the call side, 615 on the call side.
Got close to a doji on that last candle. I heard you were looking at something as I was just walking out the door. What were you looking at?
Yeah, I was looking at the 615 on the call side, but holding off.
Mac 1 minute MACD's up, got up about plus point or plus one, which is getting high.
Yeah.
It was struggling to get up any further a little bit ago until Tim complained that it wasn't high enough. So it said, okay, let's move up a little bit more.
Yep. Real tight consolidation right now. See if it's going to break out again on the top side. I'd like to see this come down and reset.
Yep.
Price trying to come down here a little bit. Price stretching down here a bit. Our 1 minute is crossed back over to the put side.
Looking at the 618 on the put.
Okay.
I'd like to see it get across VWAP though.
Yeah.
Go ahead and actually put a supply zone in here now.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on this put.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait for it to get through VWAP, I think.
Yeah. I'm at 336.
Come on down. Come on down. Just doing more consolidation now. You're in the which strike are you in?
618.
618. Okay.
Come on.
Let's do a crazy Ivan here.
Close to doji on that last candle.
Hmm.
A good volume. Only had one candle that was so far that was just a tad under 100,000.
Yeah. Yeah. Up to 15,790,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is up 320, Nas up 40, S&P's up 18. Maybe bouncing off the supply zone here.
There we go.
On down. Seem to be getting stuck between VWAP and the supply zone.
I think it's time to break down below that VWAP.
Yeah.
At the 1 minute MACD, it crossed back over going down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come on, get back down there. Come on, down, down, down.
One minute MACD is recrossing back up to the call bias position.
Come on, market maker, down you go.
Yeah, really. Come on down. Come on.
Got close to a doji on that last Taikanasi candle.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, bring it down. Bring it on down.
All right, we are an hour in. We got 17,360,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is up by 301. Nas is up by 62. S&P is up by 20. Got price climbing toward the supply zone where it will bounce off.
Come on, bring it on down. That's it. Come on down. A minute, MACD trying to cross back over, going down.
Mm-hmm. Come on down. Well, price is just meandering.
Yeah, we're getting some lower volume now too.
Yeah.
Come on, keep coming down. Come on, keep coming down. And a VWAP there. a market maker pull it down. Just in the consolidation zone again.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, time to break it down.
It's going through tighter consolidation right now. Wants to break out on the top end. 1 minute MACD is crossing again. Crossing to the top side. Volume has come down quite a bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Up to 18,831,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is up 255, Nas up 45, S&P's up 16. And prices just in no hurry to get anywhere.
I think the market makers took an early lunch.
Yeah, I think so. Bouncing off the supply zone again.
Yeah, a little bit more volume on those last two candles.
Yeah. Come on down.
Come on, let's get this campaign moving down.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on down through VWAP. All we need is a big fat sell-off to happen right now.
Yep.
There we go. Both our MACDs are in the
Try to get 10 cents on this.
Mhm. Yeah.
And there, 10 cents.
All
Man,
right.
that's a lot of time for 10 cents.
Indeed.
Yay! That's better than losing 10 cents.
That's right. Nearly always. Well, way to wait it out, Keith.
Yeah, I can start breathing again now.
Yeah.
It's
Did you consider
ridiculous.
averaging yourself down, Keith?
I didn't because it just wasn't making any strong moves.
Yeah. No, it didn't act like it really wanted to.
I'm four trades up 11 cents today.
Okay.
Had that one that went bad on me.
Goes price back over VWAP, heading back up. Came down just long enough for Keith to get out of that trade.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Okay, folks, it is top of the hour. We'll go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. Ended up positive. Actually had three trades this morning, up 98 cents this morning. So that's going to do it for us. We will see you all tomorrow morning. Keith, thank you, sir, for
Yep,
talking through much of this, and we'll see you all tomorrow morning.
yep.
All right, take care,
See you,
folks.
everybody.